In this video, I'll show you how to send a Canva email template in Mailchimp. Now, before we send a Canva email template, what we can do is integrate Canva within Mailchimp. So on the left-hand side, head over to the bottom, click on Integrations. And on the Integration section, head over to the top, and on the search bar, just simply search for Canva. Once you do that, at the bottom, you should see Canva. Simply click on Canva. And on the left-hand side, if you haven't had it connected, what you need to do is connect Canva within Mailchimp. Now, once you have it connected, the next step is to integrate this within our campaign. So on the left-hand side, click on Create. And on the Create section, let's head over to Email. We will choose a regular email, and this will be our email campaign and from Canva. At the bottom, click on Begin. Once you click on Begin, it will ask you to start from a template. At the bottom, click on Start from Scratch. And once you click on Start from Scratch, it will take you to the builder wherein you have a blank template. From here, we can remove a few options. Let's say we want to remove this image. Click on the block. On the right-hand side, click on the trash bin to remove it. We also want to do the same thing on the text. So on the right-hand side, remove the block. Now, once you have that on the left-hand side, we want to simply hold the image and drag it within this step. Now, once you have the image block at the bottom, you will have an option to add from Canva. Now, if you click on Add from Canva, in here, it will automatically show you all of the templates in which you have in Canva. Let's say I want to do this template in here since this is a weekly newsletter. Click on the template at the top in the right corner, choose Sync and Insert. In here, we want to set the file type as PNG. At the bottom, click on Sync Now. And once you do that, it will automatically sync with Canva. And this will be the exact template in which you have added. At the top, you can also remove the logo. So on the right-hand side, remove the block. And if you see this option on the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions and then click on Delete. Now that will leave you with this template. What you can do is scale this. So on the left-hand side, if you click on Scale, you can scale it so that it takes up the whole frame. What you can also do is change the background. So in here, we'll just simply make this small. On the left-hand side, click on Section Backgrounds, and you want to choose a background color. And if you head over to your Canva newsletter, let's simply take this color. At the top, click on the third option, which is the color or the palette. From here on the left-hand side, choose the palette. And then we just want to copy the hex code. Now head over back to Mailchimp. From here, we want to change the hex code to the exact color. And once you have that, you can now increase the scale and it will look exactly like a template. Once you're done, at the top in the right corner, click on Save and Exit. And now you can set your options to send this campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.